Hey, this is Jim Greamy, and I want to show you my ikuai 7-port USB 3.0 adapter that you can put on, like I have an iMac. I also have a MacBook Air. But if you have any idea with Macs, you know that USB ports are not exactly in abundant supply. And that's probably true with any type of laptop. That is where this comes in. This is an ikuai 3.0 USB adapter. It has very nice little features in it. Right now you can see that this top LED light lets me know that that port is active. Now the ports actually will work probably without the power supply. It's got a 5-volt 3-amp power supply, which will help you increase speeds, number one, up to 5 gigabytes a second. That's just an incredible amount of speed, as well as the ability to charge multiple devices. It's got 7 ports. Anytime you have a port, you turn it on. If data is being transferred, there's a very fast flash, and if it's just steady, then it usually means it's just charging or it's plugged in and the port is on. This thing is just like super fast. I have an iPhone XS Max. Whenever I plug it into what used to be iTunes is now as music, and I want to do a sync where I want to upload stuff, I normally do all that to the cloud. But sometimes I want the actual physical on my computer and my backup hard drive. And that's usually a several minute or over 5-minute process for me to back up my phone. Seconds. I'm not exaggerating. Seconds. It happened so fast I couldn't believe it happened, so I had to go in and check the timestamp to make sure that it was actually there, and it was no kidding there. I couldn't believe it. It was fantastic. What you get is a USB 3.0 adapter. This is what plugs in. It's a USB-A on the other side, which is plugged into the back of my iMac. The end kind of looks what those of you that are older might remember the cords that were USB cords to plug in like printers. Looks like a printer cable, but this is a USB 3.0. It plugs into this thing very fast. If you have a laptop, you want one of these. Because the worst thing that can happen to your laptop is for you to bend or wallow out the USB connection on the sides of that laptop. That's a pricey fix. This, for $26.99, I think there's a 5% coupon as of today is the 8th of February 2020. This will keep all that from happening because you're just plugging in and out of this. This is clad in aluminum. On the back of this, they put little rubber feet on this thing. I'd recommend that you get maybe a strip of that shelf grab, the rubber stuff that's usually it's got holes in it. Carry that around with you if you don't want to permanently attach it to your desk. I'm going to permanently attach it to my desk using the double stick hook and loop tape, or some of you may refer to it as Velcro, though Velcro is technically the brand name. Fantastic little device. They offer a 1-year warranty on this thing. They give you a card on the inside of the box. Generic box. That's what it looks like. Like that. That's what it looks like when you get it. What's inside the box is this, the power cord and the USB 3.0 cord. The cords are well made, very nice rubber on the outside of them. They're heavy, they're supple, they're flexible. I just took them out. I unwound them because they put them all in that little coil, and this thing came out very straight. It laid nicely. I didn't have to fight it. That's where you don't want to have to feel like you're wrestling a python in order to get your cord out. This is just these buttons here are spring-loaded. When you press them down, the light comes on. You press it up, and it doesn't. It's just so it's a spring-loaded. You've actually done it, and it's on. Very nice device. I am exceptionally pleased, especially with the speed that this thing delivers. You're going to like this.